Great new day traders, and you're watching the Daily Market Review with me, financial analyst of Grand Capital Company, Sergey Ilyin. And our daily heading is dedicated to the technical forex majors, technical analysis. So let's start our review from the first pair. It will be Euro and US dollar. So projected support at 1.3138 is now the focus, following the completion of a double top pattern on 1.3486 on the daily chart. The broader medium-term uptrend will remain undamaged while support at 1.3138 holds, and the Euro bulls will look to defend 1.3138 resolutely. In order to protect the February 16th higher reaction low at 1.2974, a recovery above 1.3239 would provide respite, but only above 1.3356 would lift the tone. Weekly chart of Euro and US dollar trend is bullish. Next pair, intraday analysis of US dollar versus Japan yen. The setback of 81.87% is expected to be cushioned by the solid support area between 80.83 and 80.94. However, there are signs that the momentum behind the powerful uptrend is waning, which suggests the 81.87 and high has become a potential bull trap. A recovery above 81.54 would open 81.70, which will look to defend the 81.87 high. Weekly chart of US dollar and Japan yen trend is bullish. Intraday analysis of Great Britain pounds versus US dollar. So, a sustained break below 1.581 is threatened after attracting strong resistance at 1.5991 last week. A push below 1.58.1 would leave the 1.5991 high as a near-term bull failure and create scope for more weakness towards the 1.5645 and 50 reaction lows. Only recovery above 1.5910 would suggest a return to the 1.5991 high is on the cards. Weekly chart of Great Britain pounds versus US dollar trend is bullish. Intraday analysis of US dollar and Swiss franc. So, projected resistance at 0.9187 is now the focus. Following the probe above 0.9149, however, the broader bear wave will remain intact while 0.9187 caps. And only above 0.9187 would open the February 16th lower reaction high at 0.9300 again. Support at 0.9050 will look to limit corrective weakness, and the loss of 0.9021 would bring the 0.8931 and 36 lows back into U. Weekly chart of US dollar and Swiss franc trend is bearish. Next pair will be pair Australian dollar and US dollar. So, the down wave equality target at 1.679 is within striking distance. As the setback from Friday's high at 1.820 extends, the bear wave from last week's bull trap high at 1.0857 needs to force a break below 1.0679 in order to create additional downside risk to 1.0631. Keeping 1.0679 intact would prompt a recovery back to 1.0820 and the 1.0857 high, as the broader uptrend remains intact. Weekly chart of Australian and US dollar trend is bullish. Yes, dear traders, thank you for watching. That's all for today. It was me, Financial Ness of Grand Capital Company, Sergelian. For additional information, you can visit our website, www.grandcapital.net. I wish you the fair trends and good luck. Bye.